Hello and welcome back everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I have my BMW X5. I'm going to be showing you on how you can quickly and easily access the cabin air filter and replace it if needed. You're going to start off by opening up the hood and then look on the passenger side, and in this area is where the cabin air filter is located. But before we get to it, we're going to have to remove some plastic trims. And to remove this cover, it's held on with some screws. You're going to need a ratchet and a 1/2 inch socket. Once this plastic cover is out of the way, then there's this plastic box right inside, and we're going to disconnect the wiring to it and then remove it. Flipping this plastic box over reveals not one but 2 cabin air filters, and as you guys are seeing, mine is very dusty and it's very dirty, so mine's going to need to be replaced, and all I'm going to have to do is pull the old filters out, slap my new ones in, and then reinstall everything. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to replace this and then reinstall everything back in the reverse process. But that's it. That's how really easy it is to access your cabin air filters and replace them on your BMW X5 E70. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, I'd really appreciate if you guys could hit the like and share button, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.